So I'm going to do just a few questions that I wanted to use my transparency for, and the rest you can check your answers on Remind. So for something like number 23 on page 60, to state the sequence of transformations that maps ABC to A prime, B prime, C prime, first of all, I recognize that the figure got smaller. I also recognize that this is 4 units long, while that's 2 units long. So I would say that we're going to dilate using a scale factor of a half. But there's probably another transformation that needs to be done. So let me do this dilation. So A was at 0, 0. B was at 0, negative 6. And C is at 4, negative 6. And if I dilate it using a scale factor of a half, I get 0, 0, 0, negative 3, and 2, negative 3. I'm going to actually put that on a transparency. Now I could see it's probably the right size, but it definitely didn't land on top of the A prime, B prime, and C prime. So definitely looks like I should rotate. If this is my center of rotation, and I rotate 90 degrees, it gets closer, but it's not right on top. So looks like all I have to do is slide it over. Sliding is a translation. If I translate it 1, 2 units to the right, now I'm done. So I rotated 90 degrees and then translated 2 units right. I'll do number 24. Also on a transparency. This is the original, while that's the new, because that one has the primes. I could see that this is 1 unit long, while this is 2 units long. It got twice as big. I definitely have to dilate using a scale factor of 2. Let me calculate where that's going to end. So I'll write my points over here again. A at 1, 3 becomes 2, 6, because it's twice as big. B at 2, 2 becomes 4, 4. And C at 3, 2 becomes 6, 4. So 2, 6 is a little off the graph, but that's all right. And again, I could see it's the right size, but it's in the wrong place. In order to get it to face this way, I recognize if I flip my transparency over, it now faces the right way. So I have to figure out what line I want to flip over. I could flip over any horizontal line. Really, there's lots of different lines you can choose. I'm going to choose this line, which is y equals 3. And when I flip over it, I can see all I have to do now is translate. If I slide it to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I reflected it and then translated it.